For businesses to be able to draw crowds and operate successfully in this day and age, they have to keep things fresh, modern, and innovative. Trop Club and Casino has an old American classic game seen on TV inside its casino to appeal to its players. Plinko is a game made famous by the popular American TV game show The Price is Right. Players do their best to drop the puck inside the pocket that is offering the biggest prize. That's what happens on The Price is Right. Now at Trop Club and Casino, they have created their own version, giving their players the opportunity to win up to 5,000 florins in cash and prizes.
Well, we have a new edition called Plinko. It's from The Price is Right, if you remember him. It was a very popular game. We have it now at Trop Club and Casino. Over 5,000 florins in prizes. It's a brand new machine. We're the first ones in Aruba. It's catering to the tourists, but also to the locals ones that wants to come and play.
For every 25 points players accumulate on their Trop Advantage card, they receive tickets to play Plinko every Friday and Saturday night. Between the hours of 8 to 11, players are called up to the Plinko machine every hour. So far, the familiar game is appealing to the tourists as well locals.
Well, the reaction has been great. Everybody likes it because it's something different, like normal. It's more the machine or it's more another thing, but this is something visual that you can see and play. You can see an old school game, and a lot of tourists like it. So it's catering to a lot of the people that really love this game and remember The Price is Right when it was like that.
And of course, we are here at the Trop Club and Casino. For anyone who has seen the Price is Right game show, then you know how this works. But of course, we still want to give you a little bit of a demonstration just in case.
I think it's exciting and it's good for the Rubens and it's good for the Americans. It gets them involved in the casinos to come in and have a good time.
Trop Club and Casino strives to keep things interesting for their players. Generating fresh ideas is a must in this industry.
Well, we wanted to come with something new, something that nobody has done yet. And we, after brainstorming, after looking around, we said, let's do the Plinko because we think nobody has done it yet in the casino business, in the entertainment business in Aruba. So we did it, and that's why we came something new that we want to always bring at Trop Club and Casino. In this business in Aruba, there's a lot of casino, there's a lot of competition, so we always try to innovate. Trop Club and Casino always tries to innovate, it brings the different. This is why we brought the Plinko. Like I said, nobody has done it, so we said let's do it, and I think that's how we bring the customers to our casino.
Be sure to accumulate those points on the Trop Advantage card quick because the Plinko campaign ends on the last Saturday of January. The popularity of the game is picking up though, so there's a good chance the Plinko machine will be around at Trop Club and Casino all year.